is all you'll need to make some delicious peaches and cream cupcakes. Some butter, eggs, peach slices, get them in a can because we're going to use the juice as well. Some double cream, caster sugar and some self-raising flour. First thing we're going to do, melt your butter in the microwave just to soften it up. Then in with the sugar, get those mixed together till they're nice and creamy. With your butter and sugar mixed, it's time to go in with the juice from your tin of peaches, and then you're just going to give that a quick whiz around as well. With your fruit juice in, next it's in with 2 eggs, and then you've guessed it, get them mixed in. With your eggs mixed in, get some of your peach slices, chop them up into little bits. Don't get them all though, save some for decoration later. So chop them up and get them into the mix. And then again, just to break them down a bit more, I'm going to give them a good whisk round. With all your wet ingredients in, it's time to go in with your dry, in this case your flour, and you're going to sieve it in just to get some air into it. And it's time to put your whisk away because you're going to fold this in to keep a bit of that air into the mix. So fold this in until it all comes together. And it resembles something like that. It's time to get your cupcake cases out. Once everything's mixed in, it's time to go in to your cupcake cases with your mixture. Don't overfill them, otherwise you'll have them splurging out over the top and over the edges. So just something like halfway, and then onto a baking tray. When you've got your cake mixture into the cupcake cases, just going to go on with 1 or 2 pieces of your peach just to let everyone know what kind of cupcakes they're eating. And then this is going in the oven at 180 for around 20 to 30 minutes. Just keep testing them with a cocktail stick, and when that comes out clean, i.e. there's no more wet ingredients, then you know that they're cooked. When your cocktail stick comes out without any of the mixture on it, you know that they're done. So take them out and let them cool down, and then we're just going to get the cream thickened up. Once your cream's ready, it's time to get it, if you've got one, into a piping bag. If you haven't got one, just do the best you can with a spoon or whatever you've got to hand. When you've got your cream in your piping bag, it's time to go on top of your cakes. Now you see mine's only half full. That's because I knew I was going to top them off with cream. If you're not topping them with cream, just put a bit more mixture in when you're going to put them in the oven so that they're fuller. So here we go. To finish it off, nice piece of your peach. And then get stuck in.